In the previous video we showed how we could define the template for each field in the form control, and we showed how we could define a system template so that all the fields looked the same, and then we overrode that for the state field where we created a template that didn't have the field label and that put the field in a red border. In this video we're going to show how the template itself can contain conditional statements. Keep in mind that the template is built on top of Alpha Anywhere's client-side templating functionality, and the templating functionality in Alpha Anywhere is extremely powerful with a full set of conditional directives. So let's basically define the template so that if the state is Massachusetts we use a red border, but otherwise we use a blue border. So let's go back now into the form view itself, and also let's basically make it so that the state field isn't touching the city field above it. So we'll put a margin around that. So let's go here first to the state field, and first thing that we're going to do is go here and put in a margin of say 10 pixels. So let's go and look at this quickly and see now that we have a margin so that the state field now is no longer touching. Now we probably should have put just a margin of above and below, and not just, because margin of 10 pixels put the margin all the way around, and we probably didn't want the 10 pixel margin on the left hand side, but I'll just leave that for now. So now let's go back here to this and add in our conditional. So there's our template now. So let's go to the top above this here and add in a conditional statement. So we'll go here and we'll say if, and then our logical expression is state equals MA. Now the field names are case sensitive, but we can see here from our fields that state is defined using that case over there. So this is the correct case that we have right now. So there's our template, if state equals that, and then we'll go here and we'll insert our next conditional, and then we'll put in an else, and then we'll put in the end if. Actually there's the end if over there, and then let's just copy this template now and then paste it in, and then change this to blue. So let's go ahead now and then run our component. So we click on Massachusetts, we get red. Click on New York, we get blue. So basically back to Massachusetts. So what we've shown in this video is how the template is just nothing more than the HTML template that you see in the client-side templating functionality in Alpha Anywhere, and you can use all of the client-side client-side templating directives like if and else if, etc., to create conditional logic in the templates. To learn more about client-side templating, you can go to the web control panel, and from the web control panel you can see here that there is a open template tester window where you can go through a full tutorial on client-side templating. But the bottom line here is that the HTML template for each field on a form is nothing more than alpha client-side templating, and as such you've got a lot of power in the construction of the template, and you can use conditional statements. Thanks very much for watching.